How do I become grateful with sincerity?
Simplify your life. Most importantly, simplify your life internally. Become aware of greed within. Become fearful of greed within. You're living in an age in which mankind is deliberately taught to live like a rat. We are trained to be rats. We are trained to collect unnecessary things, shiny things which are not gold. And you're fooled into this race to keep collecting things till the day you die. You buy a phone which fulfills all your needs, and the next one is more shiny, already placed on the rack. And you buy the one for which you have less money, but you're subconsciously eyeing the one which you're going to buy next when you will have the money. Even though you don't need it. It's an endless loop. And you just keep collecting. And the ones who make all this are laughing all the way to the bank. So you're just a pawn for the rich and strong. You just work very, very hard to make them rich. And then you're upset about it. So why do you play this game? Why are you wasting your strength? Why are you giving your power to the strong and make them more strong? And then be resentful about it. Why do you want them to fulfill your greed free of charge? Why do you want them to be saints when you are no saint yourself? Why are you upset that they should control their greed and lower the profits? Yet you yourself are full of greed. Stop playing that game. And you know what in reality? In reality, it's a child's game. Which adults of humanity are pretending that it's a serious game. So if you could control your greed, you will find that everything is okay. That God is taking care of you. All you have to do is just lower your gaze. Don't look at the things which other people have. That's all you have to do, is protect your eyes from all the shiny things which are not gold. Don't be deceived by other people. You're just imagining that they are strong. They're just like you, just a little bit more greedy, that's all. So protect yourself, protect your eyes from the schemes of other, just a tad more greedy people. We are not very different from them. Don't curse them. If you look closely at them, they also need help. They're just people. So you see, you can't be greedy and be grateful at the same time. These two feelings are opposites. A heart cannot be dirty and clean at the same time. You have to work on your cleanliness. How can you be sincere if you're secretly eyeing other people's things? Sincerity is not a physical trait, it's a quality of the heart. So work on your heart and purify your soul. Lower your gaze and you'll find God there.